Mo adlaw hato na tanan. Ako hi Ralph Reuchu, usa na lay minister na serve din ha Redemptorist Church Tacloban.
Ako naman, Barbara Mides Chu. You can call me Maiden, my nickname. Na-serve ako as lector, our Mother of Perpetual Help Parish sa Tacloban City.
Di na mga around 2011, nag-apply kami na akong father pagka lay minister din niya simbahan ha Redemptorist Tacloban. So, nagpakiaan na kami ha office, ditohan parish secretary, ka Ma'am Eileen. Then nagyakan niya na papag
Appointment kay
father, oo, para pagkuan.
Para mag-apply
para pag-apply as lay minister. Then, amag to, pag training ko as lay minister, nakita ko Wednesday.
Every
yun.
Wednesday.
Every Wednesday at 5.
Nagsaserve ako dito. And our Mother Perpetual Help Novena.
Dito kayo nakita. Kasama to, in the long run, pakiano na ako kunin hiya, then nagka-meet na kami.
But we were formally introduced talaga nung Christ the King. That was November 2012.
12, oo.
So during han period, maihan kita la. So waray ladto hi hello. Kay mataray maninihiya. Suplado. So yun. Then we were formally introduced nung November 2012 after the procession and Christ the King. So then formally, dito na nag-start.
Start to, anong dating.
Nakakuha na yan akong schedule.
Kung ano niya schedule, magya pa na akong schedule, of course. Para magka-meet. Anyway, fast forward, then nagkauyab kami, nagkaasawa kami. Bali, nagkaasawa kami January of 2015 kami nagkaasawa. Nag-call kami ng plan to have a family. So, excited gap kami kay anamon age. So,
we're not getting any younger.
So, naglalanat kami anamon age. Same time, adi kami simbahan. So, nagkuhan kami.
And daddy excited masyado na kasi kasi we already have a house.
May balay na
So,
agad.
kumbaga ginandaman kami.
Na father.
So, yun. Nagburod ako dito, di ba? We tried kasi after 1 year. It was already 1 year, but worry pa ako nagburon. So, nagpa-work up. Then, eventually, we were blessed. No? For, we were informed na buntis na ako. Pero, it was blighted ovum. The term, and OB was blighted ovum. So, eventually, na-miscarriage siya. Then we tried again. So, may danad to yung heartbeat and kuan. Kaya lang.
Namatay pa na dati.
Waray gihapon.
Na-stop ni heartbeat.
And then, on the third pregnancy, so here comes Mavis. So, our one and only Onika Ihan. Ginaro ko talaga adto, no? So, kasi, kumbaga, di rin na kaya. Nakon personally. And, pero may ako na-ask kay ano, di rin natatagan ba? Kasi, damo man ang mga, di ba damo ton mga nagbuburo, tapos parang we just feel sad that damo ang mga nagpapa-abort, pero adian mga gusto mag-conceive and bear a child. We're not given the opportunity. So, I always ask him kaya ano so ganito. I was just blessed kasi anak kong husband was very strong. And iya pirmi talaga na sing ayaw ito na ayaw kalusok. Pray la kita kay tatagan gyapon kita ito. So nung Mandanay Mavis, I really asked God na ihatag na kay di rin na talaga na akon kaya. Iniya na process. Pirmi-pirmi ko bisan maihan na masakit talaga hiya. Masakit. So, that was the time. Ako kasi, I am from Sampaguita. So, our patron saint was Saint Gerard. So, amo damon nayakan na magnovena. And at the same time, we were serving ha church. Sana priest, Father Bong Puzon. Pahuram kami niya hand medallion ni Saint Gerard. Siring hiya na, you try praying this and then you always bring this sa imo. So I'll let you borrow this kasi once maging okay hiya, until ma-deliver na hi Mavis, ipapahuram taliwat ha iba para magborod gihapon. So amo to continuously during the 9 months, pag may da mga kuan, di ba, na pa-bless kita, had feast, ha, October to, 16 na Sampaguita.
Every night,
novena, rosary. Luckily, ginaaro talaga to namo, na tanan ng mga saints, gihapon, mga, pag may danaka di Tacloban, na mga relics. At the time, damo man to, di ba? Mga relics damo to na time. So, we never missed. Kahit long and pila, ito na ako nasawa, ayaw na lakitahan mas kasi makuri man. So, at least we really find time. Bisan gabi na nakatuod kami para guti lang pila ba. Kasi very delicate ang akong pregnancy. So, want to. But, during that time, I was also blessed gihapon na naka-normal delivery pa ako at the age of 35. So, kumbaga, anamon trust, puro good talaga tanan haiya. Kasi, I never feared talaga, wari ako na, honestly, wari good, an anxiety na bangin wari good. Kumbaga, come what may, kung ano ni hatag ni Lord, ni Mama Mary, ni Saint Gerard, kumbaga, kaya ito. So, akong liwat husband, one man hiya, but also with the family. So, we all prayed together talaga. Amod to. Mavis came May 2.
May 2.
2017. So, yun.
Message to mothers or couple who are trying to conceive.
No, prayers la. Ayaw la pag-give up. Ihahatag gihapon ni San Gerard atong iyo prayers paghatag iyo baby talaga. Don't lose hope talaga. Kay mahatag good talaga si San Gerard.
So, maging grateful la kita kami. We share our blessings. So, sometimes may adama ko and we really just share la kami, ayaw lay anonymous la. Kasi diri man kami, suga dito kay, we also want na kung anon may da kami, na serve kami gihapon. So we encourage ang mga couples gihapon to really find time to serve back Ginoo. Kasi tanan manggod initi kang haiya, no? So kumbaga para liwat, we will serve as instruments na ma-inspire gihapon hira na bisan kami visit amon mga work, amon kuan, hiragyap may inspire to do the same. So, yun.
Your prayers gave us hope
and fill our hearts with joy to live in peace with trust in the will of the Lord.
Gracias San Gerardo.